He's got to get his elbows in there.
Well, he's trying to, so he can eat over the napkin. Ivan told me what it was earlier. Mom, where's Jill at?
Why don't you just finish the meat, then the bread?
There's still more bread.
I know. There's 6 slices of bread.
Rochelle's in between here and Abbeville, I think.
It's beside Abbeville.
Yeah.
You did get a picture of before and after, right?
Yep. I sent it to your mama.
Yeah.
And when did you start on this?
I told you to mine in about 30 minutes. I went to Peck's, got the burgers. I don't know what that was. Hold on.
My legs flashed before my eyes.
It will try to eat all that.
You know that's not good for his high cholesterol, you know that, right?
What cholesterol?
Screw cholesterol. It's one day.
I know, but I'm just saying. Yeah, don't eat it fast.
Hell, he won't. You don't know how he eats.
If I don't eat it fast, I won't eat it at all because I won't be able to finish
But anyway,
it.
there's turkey, there's ham, there's eggs, there's tenders, there's brisket, there's burgers, there's onions and pickles and mustard and sriracha.
Oh.
Between 6 slices of bread.
Because soon after I get shot, I give you the message after you said what am I doing after I told you I was watching a movie with Isaac.
Less talking, more eating.
He wanted to talk.
I know.
What are you gonna do?
I might be the douche.
Because he's not on a time limit.
To him, he is. Now the only way that Jada's gonna get him to come to bed is a donut and Vaseline.
Your son takes after you. He's stinky ass stinky.
Ain't that bad.
Go smell my room.
I'm talking about mine ain't.
It's horrible.
I was going to tell you, ask Jada.
Speak, baby.
Jada told me that she was going to stab me if I took off my socks.
Damn.
That's funny.
It does it. It's from the damn video. I don't know why it's doing that.
That's what I was talking about.
Almost like you're trying to take pictures while you're doing it. A tiny home.
I'm like, fuck, I'm blind. I can't even see my meat.
That feels like one bite. What every time the flashlight hit, maybe it's like one bite, maybe my last.
Don't be a pussy. Eat that damn food. No, like I was telling your mama, you've been asking about that damn video about you eating that big ass sandwich. I think that might be a little bit bigger than the last one.
Don't make him overstuff himself either.
I'm not gonna make him. He's gonna make himself.
Well, don't do it enough to make you sick. I'm at least telling now.
Don't make yourself sick. I mean, you're 20. I mean,
That ain't bad. Do you know what the inside looks like?
No, it's not. Anything to do with
Hey, unless they got one of the ingredients right.
Yeah.
There's a show on Netflix. It's called The Tiny Ones. We can watch those. So you'll see.
Mm.
This is 9 o'clock. This is outside,
Yeah.
fun, all that.
I hope if I got my boy something to drink.
Yeah.
So
Mother.
he showed up.
Yeah, they
Ain't my fault.
got cute,
He's like, I've got the food. No, wait.
have to make steak for you.
You about halfway
That's
done.
just 900, that's just put a shell on the outside. That's not even the bathroom, stuff like that.
Just that one.
Then it's away from the back. Would be about 18,000.
I mean, it's not like 5 sandwiches and a bowl of chili a day.
One day,
Blimey, Harry, he's slowing down.
I bet you can't do it.
I wouldn't try to do it. There's a difference.
No, there's a challenge. And I can do it.
Tiger told you happy birthday, James. And that she was.
Yes, ma'am.
You put that egg on top of the burger and ate it as a whole. What? That's nowhere near what the fuck I told you to do.
See? Whole sandwich right here.
Like, look, Isaac, this is when your daddy got diabetes.
Look, Isaac, this is how your dad got a heart attack.
One more burger. Can of corn, I'll be okay.
They'll be like, it's just that one more bite, just that one more bite. Wow. No, it'll be like the episode of Family Guy.
Mm-hmm. Or when Dee was the damn reaper. Or when he was trapped in the TV show.
When Peter was eating all those burgers and everything, it was like, I don't feel my left arm.
You still gonna be hungry Friday?
Bury me in the sand, I'll be good. So dang, Jay, that's not gonna cheer me on?
Like shit, you're not in the competition, just eat. Oh, what the hell was that look? Take a deep breath like that, you might want to try to slow down.
Mm-hmm.
You gonna get sick?
Mm-mm.
Getting too full?
Mm-hmm.
What the hell?
One more bite, I would have got sick.
So he's done.
Yes, he's done.
You might
Oh,
as
I
well
want a
say.
bite.
You might as well say.